Mini wood projects are a delightful way to express creativity while producing charming, functional items. These small-scale creations not only serve as unique gifts, but also add character and warmth to any space. From intricate designs to simple, rustic pieces, crafting mini wood projects offers endless possibilities for both personal enjoyment and commercial success. Types of mini wood projects. Some popular mini wood projects include keychains, coasters, small picture frames, and decorative boxes. Each project can be customized to reflect individual tastes and styles, making them thoughtful gifts for friends and family. Miniature furniture pieces, like tiny stools or tables, can also be charming additions that showcase craftsmanship and attention to detail. Essential tools and materials. To begin crafting mini wood projects, you'll need a few essential tools such as saws, chisels, sanders, and wood glue. Softwoods like pine and cedar are excellent for beginners due to their ease of handling, while hardwoods like oak and walnut provide durability and a refined finish for more experienced woodworkers. Selecting quality materials is crucial for creating appealing and lasting items. Techniques to enhance your craft. Various techniques can be applied to mini wood projects, including carving, painting, and pyrography, wood burning. These methods allow for personalization and artistic expression, ensuring each piece is unique. Learning new skills, like wood joinery or finishing techniques, can significantly improve the quality of your projects, attracting more buyers or making gifts even more special. The joy of selling your creations. For those interested in selling their mini wood projects, platforms like Etsy, local craft fairs, and social media can provide excellent exposure. Highlight the craftsmanship and uniqueness of each item through compelling product descriptions and high-quality photographs. Pricing should reflect the time, effort, and materials involved, ensuring fair compensation for your creativity. Perfect gift ideas. Mini wood projects are perfect for gifting on various occasions, whether it's a birthday, holiday, or corporate event. Personalized options, such as engraved keychains or custom-designed coasters, add a special touch that recipients will cherish. Creating themed sets, like a matching set of coasters or a decorative box with a small trinket, can enhance the gifting experience and provide thoughtful, cohesive presents. Building a community. Engaging with fellow crafters can be incredibly rewarding. Joining online forums, attending workshops, or participating in local crafting groups can help expand both your skills and your network. Sharing your projects on social media platforms can inspire others and foster a sense of community among woodworking enthusiasts, providing encouragement and feedback. Embracing sustainability. As crafting practices evolve, many artisans are embracing sustainability in their projects. Using reclaimed wood or eco-friendly finishes not only reduces environmental impact, but also appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. By prioritizing sustainable materials, you can create beautiful, functional items while contributing positively to the planet. In conclusion, crafting charming mini wood projects is a fulfilling endeavor that combines creativity with craftsmanship. Whether you're making items for personal enjoyment, gifting, or selling, these projects can bring joy to both the maker and the recipient. With the right tools, techniques, and a passion for woodworking, you can create delightful pieces that celebrate the beauty of wood and the art of crafting.